That's a beautiful view of downtown Kansas right there. Now we just passing through, but it's a nice little view. Check it out. Alrighty. So this morning, woke up, had to go to Walmart, get a couple things for the new place, had to get some stuff for the kids, sheets and cleaning supplies and just a whole bunch of little knickknacks and stuff that I left back at the old spot because I didn't want to waste the time packing it up and carrying it. I figured, hey, I'll just go out and get all new stuff, and that's what I did. So after leaving Walmart, took a trip up to the hospital to see my mom. My mom's in the hospital right now. She's getting better, but she's having a little bit of cirrhosis of the liver. And pray for her. Hope she gets better, soon. And hopefully we won't need to get no liver transplant. But that's a story for a whole other day. But after going to see mom, I went and hung out with my sister. And from there, it's been just, getting things together for the house and just really getting back used to being back home, because after being up there in negative temperatures and just in the overall cold nonstop, I'm tired of it. Did fire up the apps for a quick second, turned on Walmart Spark, changed my zone over here to Glen Carbon, turned on Uber, just switched everything around, let it know I was gonna be in a new spot. Couple things with Uber. It quickly asked me to update the app, which I did, and I noticed a couple new things on the app. So it's now showing like little squiggly arrows in the little locations in the different areas of part of town that is busy. I'm seeing it busy a lot over in Clayton, Webster Grove. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is gonna be my audio test using this Rode Wireless Go 2, and also looking at these lavalier microphones right here. What's this, Amazon? Hold on, that's gonna be a glare. Looking at some of these lavalier microphones right here on Amazon. I don't know how the hell this is gonna plug up into my microphone though. Shit's not adding up. So let's go ahead and go back and see if we can figure this out. You know what? How about we just go to the Rode website? Boom. Wireless Go 2. So here it is right here. This is the microphone I just bought. The Wireless Go 2 dual channel microphone system. Yada yada. So no, I got the single channel. This is what I got right here. So I'm trying to see, how do I hook up the lav mic, because that's the only auxiliary port I'm seeing, and I'm not seeing an extra auxiliary port on the microphones unless that's it right there. Oh, that's it right there. Oh shit, I see it. I guess, see, that's why sometimes you just gotta take your time and look at stuff, because by going to the website, I was able to find it. So look, hold this. All right, so by going to the website, I was actually able to figure it out. I got this little wind protector thing right here on top of the microphone. So if I take that off and twist it, now I can see clearly right there. Boom. There go to the slot I was looking for. So now when I get that lav mic, I can, boom, plug that in right there. I can have this sitting right down here on the side, because I don't want to put it around my neck. They look tacky to me. You know what I'm saying? I be wearing different kind of outfits. You know what I'm saying? I be out here, and I can't just be looking at how everybody look.